My name is Khanduli. I'm the Assistant Commissioner, Executive Magistrate of the Jantihan District, Guwahati. So I've come here. I mean, like all of us, we've been involved for the past, few weeks, even months. We've been coming here to restore peace. We also, from the district administration, we would wish that that the normalcy should come back to the area, and so that the relationship that was established, that was there for a long time, it should be maintained, so that the inter-trade, the inter-people exchange, it should increase henceforth. So that is the most important thing that we are here for. We do have some other issues like border issues and all. So that should be left aside. It should be discussed. It should be left to.
My name is Rakesh. I'm the border magistrate, assistant commissioner of Hamlin. So it's an immense pleasure and opportunity for all of us that we all have gathered over here in order to discuss the various issues and problems which has been going on for the past many days or many years. So coming together under the same roof, it indicates that there is something goodwill among all of us. That's why we all have gathered over here, and that goodwill can only be further strengthened if we keep on communicating, if we keep on talking with each other every now and then, because communication is the only thing which can solve any problem. Communication is the only key. Okay, so now, sir, you want to say something?
I'll say a bit. Yeah.
Okay, so now you just introduce yourself one by one, and after that we will start our discussion. But yes, as the sir has already told, that our main focus will be on peace. Okay, how to maintain peace, how the normalcy can be returned in this border area. That will be our main focus. Okay, so please introduce one by one from your side. I think Victor, you can introduce yourself.
Aprangse ke kat news lapen Beauty Life lapen Karbiang Long Life etung pan niritum ahoi kidu arat at korti ingir gangbura sorgari gangbura tum pendang lok nang tumpan kardong pilo la sepini ke niritum ladak Khanduli BOP long je jati hini yang bong kedam tang terikret troksi April ciklo suruni rengkora thomar ni pen labang so Karbiang Long Thomas Council pen nang bi labang so entry gate tax gate nang bi labang so lam ben si dak chori choman long lo la sepini niritum labang so kado kawe Monsam kido ji pophan si niritum ta pini chuma korti Khanduli apnara korti tumpen niritum pini kachingvai lo bon sita anang ni tuma bang ke lason se pulo je labang so Karbiang Long Thomas Council pen ang kibia a gate a tax gate bang ke dak pen bilong le la se niritum hin pen ang so dim klar dak pen nitum Karbiang Long Thomas Council pan ka chining ri bang ke lo pelo api ke chiro bang ke chok sidet po masil bang so a gere bang ke aprang nang bitang dalo yung bosi la se aprang ateng thot se la dak dunai pusi la hawararat ke dutum anta Karbiang Long ke ding num pan cinghon Dr. Tuliram rong hang sarap hanta alu nitum prabjing pitun tupo
tangte pini kachingvai ke lo taxation gate nang biya joini an chot kali no se ahoi adui aputhak je non alang litum ke hawar hapat palam mensi ka chipethe la ke Khanduli area labang so puthak nang litum kopia sayang deng senang litum pini kachingvai pun
lang so kachingvai po mane ke hawa rong area la son se lang tum pithelo Khanduli apnar tuma bang la se rong area pulutang te la ke Khanduli rong phan ke lang keroya rong son ke pharo kriser kebra ser keben kan se jormo la pen am irong son bang ke pharo kriner kebra phok keben kan ang tum Khanduli ke pharo kriser kebra thokera ser keb ente ko bang lo akleng ke la si alang tum bang ke la rong area mane ka pathis rong area lo nang ki pet ke li tuma along li phelang phan si ang tum nang bor il ha sitala dak bang ke ni tum kaddu ko vetam le la hoera tum anta la dak ke chikroin thekhe kai teng kai mang ni tu chelong nang ji lalo
tangte pini nang litum kachingvai ang bong pen non ke do boma situation son la puta chedam long le puta chewang long le labang so puthang nang litum ko pisi kachingvai pon lo
la
pini
ke ni litum hala meeting hololong mase chipudet lo nang litum ta wang retha peni litum ta wang vela lang litum si pulo je chedam chewang nang ne la ni litum hin pen ke lai la me pupe seta lang litum si la gate aputhak dak pen terek de tiki chedam chewang nang ne pusi ki pu han ke ni litum ta ki punung re ita warsai de lo muthi litum ke dak pen terek ni pe litum ke pupe de jimati litum ke pathir
because I know that you people also you need Khanduli and Khanduli also need your help. So what our target today is we will have peace talk, and whatever talk we will talk only about the peace between communities. We will not be quarrel anymore in future. That is our main objective for today's meeting. So I think maybe
we have the meeting from both sides, Meghalaya and Assam, represent from this border area, Khanduli border area. We have discussed thoroughly, right from the beginning. We are living together in this area peacefully, without any problem, like our brothers and sisters. But we believe this will continue as usual to maintain peace and harmony in our area. But the outcome of today's meeting, we have decided to wait the official letter from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to remove this tax gate. As well, we have decided also to meet our MDC, member of district council, to communicate as early as possible for the betterment of the people living in this area. That will tell our people also to move freely till that moment, that both the council, they will agree and assure us an official letter to remove that tax gate.
So when will be the next meeting?
According to the border magistrate, will depend on them. Anytime they call, we are ready to come for the next meeting.
Okay.